How to buy SERALPHA token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on COINEX. Now, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this online network. Open your fetch wallet for that. Now, as you can see here, click on swap. Now, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap. Now after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and squeeze the slippage from here on customer, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy SERALPHA token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.